I'm going to go over the steps to install an easy breathe whole home ventilation system. We're installing this in a basement. Make sure you install the system 8 to 10 feet away from gas appliances. I'm going to drill a 6-inch hole through the rim joist for the ductwork. Generally, it's good to find the center of the area and run a pilot hole from the inside to the outside, because then we're going to create the hole from the outside in. For this project, because of the siding, we're going to start from the outside and drill in. Because I want this vent cover to be just under the lip of the siding, we measured from the outside and confirmed it with our measurements on the inside. You need a 6-inch hole saw. Go through the siding in reverse so you don't damage the siding. Once you've removed the siding, then you can put it in the forward position and finish cutting your hole. The chute has a wide section and a narrow section. Keep the sections together and remove the wire ties. On the large chute, there's a band with plastic mounting tabs. If those are on the bottom of the chute, when you attach your top cone, you want to make sure that the mounting tabs are on the bottom also. And we're going to connect this to the chute with 4 screws that are included. Now you can attach the narrow chute to the fan. And you're going to hold it in place with 4 screws that are provided. The solid piece of pipe is going to connect to your vent cover on the outside, and there's a lip where you're going to attach the vent cover. And depending on the spacing, you also have flexible ductwork. For this installation, the solid pipe should be long enough to go from the outside to our chute. I'm going to raise my chute up and then line up my pipe from the outside. Because I don't need to use the flexible ductwork, I'm just going to push this onto the dome on top of the chute. I'm having somebody hold the chute in place for me. You can use a bead of silicone around it so that it seals it and you have a airtight seal. I'm just going to push it in place, and now I can attach my cover. Use 4 screws to hold it in place, and then use silicone around the outside to keep it weatherproof. You can use expanding foam or caulking for any gaps around your pipe. There's mounting tabs on the chute, on the fan, and on the top cone so you can anchor it to your wall. Once you plug it in, you can adjust the humidity level and it'll automatically turn on and off, or you can set the humidity level to 20% and it's going to run continuously so you improve your air quality. If you're finishing a basement, you can also get an optional offset for the fan. When we finish this basement, we'll have the ductwork behind the finished drywall and we'll have the fan outside the finished drywall.